A brand new Tesla Cybertruck rolls down an Arizona highway, and a Pinal County deputy already has a reason to light it up. This footage is released by the sheriff's office itself. We're stripping the original audio and walking through exactly what the law says. The deputy makes contact at the driver's window. In Arizona, a traffic stop only needs reasonable suspicion of a single violation. Speed is the usual trigger out here on the open desert routes, where limits jump from 55 to 65.
Notice the deputy documenting the vehicle before a word is exchanged. That footage is the record the court will actually rely on.
Here's what makes Arizona different. Most traffic tickets are civil. You pay a fine and move on with no criminal record. But criminal speeding, driving on a suspended license, and reckless driving all cross into misdemeanor territory with a mandatory court date. A second stop, a Jeep Gladiator. Same procedure, same paperwork. Every Pinal traffic contact is captured on an Axon body camera. Under Arizona law, an officer can cite you and let you drive away, or, for criminal speed, take you into custody on the spot.
Most highway stops end with a civil citation, but cross a threshold and it becomes a criminal misdemeanor. Here's where that line sits.
And the number on the ticket is never the real cost. Arizona stacks an 83% surcharge on top of the base fine. Then come license points, defensive driving school, and insurance increases that can outlast the ticket by years. Arizona is unusual. 20 over the limit, or anything above 85 miles per hour, stops being a fine and becomes a criminal record. That means up to 30 days in jail and fines near $1,000 with surcharges. Footage credit, Pinal County Sheriff's Office.